Hey guys, it's Fuzzy here with a Valentine's Day Mailtime video. I know this is a bit late, but let's get right into it, because it's late. Let's start with the first gift, pillow. Nice. Ooh, everyone deserves a treat. Oh, I've wanted this plushie for I don't know, since I started playing. That is so nice of Boots Skull 2. Ooh, a crystal carrot. That's nice. Okay, this person likes me. That's cute. And the last one, a horn helmet. I heard somewhere that these were beta, but I'm not sure. Anyway, this wraps up the video. But first, I just want to say that I've changed my username to FuzzFox3, as you can see here. And also, someone traded me this double spiked wristband today. When did I get this necklace? This does not look good on a fox of any kind. Do not wear this if you have a fox. Now let's see. I'm going to put this giant plushie right about here. I have a heart valentine for some reason, and I'll put this crystal carrot on a sofa. Don't ask questions. I just want to. Why is there a hamster? That's my hamster. Yes, I know, but I don't remember putting it in here. And this sofa, there we go, and I'll put the pillow on it. You have no idea how long I've wanted the giant snow leopard plushie. I'll put these up to celebrate the occasion. Put this banner somewhere else. Here's a good place. And also, I got this the other day. Can't remember where. Oh yeah, I traded a non-member some non-member items. That's how I got it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Goodbye.